As a SunTech alumni who attended the welding program and has 29 years of experience in the welding industry, my passion for teaching others to weld will help mold you into a skilled welder during your senior year. In the welding program at SunTech, you'll not just learn the basics, you'll be immersed in the advanced welding techniques from shielded metal arc, gas metal arc, gas tungsten arc, and flux core arc welding. You will learn how to program and cut metals using our CNC plasma and laser cutters. Students that complete this program are equipped with the skills needed to excel in this versatile field. Demand for skilled welders is soaring, and it is a profession that opens doors to various industries, from manufacturing to construction and metal fabrication. Upon completion of the welding program, you'll be able to safely operate power tools, produce welds using different processes, operate the oxy-fuel and plasma cutting systems that are used in the industry. You will have the opportunity to earn 16 college credits through the Penn College Dual Enrollment Program and have access to articulation agreements with other post-secondary institutions. The welding program is designed for students who are looking to prepare themselves for a welding career. Students have the opportunity to earn AWS certification, among others, to help make them successful in obtaining a career in the welding industry.